Hello students, Namaste and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. This is Vipin Sharma and first of all wish you happy Diwali to you all. And please light the lamp of hope, light the lamp of knowledge, light the lamp of positivity so that the darkness of the negativity can be removed and the path of progress can be illuminated. So with these words, I again welcome you on the Oliveboard platform. So today we are going to discuss about the quantitative aptitude analysis of all India level RRB mock test which you probably took on this weekend, right? So moving start, yes. So first question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. So first question is on your screen. Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying a person invested a certain amount in simple interest for 8 years at the rate of 15% per annum. If the interest received is rupees 12,960, right? Then find the amount invested. So we have to calculate the principal value. We know that the rate is how much? 8% and rate is 15% and time is 8 years, right? So we can say that in 1 year interest would be 15%. So in 8 years the interest would be how much? 15 into 8. 15 8 is 120. So we can say that the simple interest would be 120%, right? So we can say that 120% is equal to 12,960. Now we have to calculate the principal. Principal is always equal to 100%. So we can say that 100% is equal to how much? 12960 divided by 120 into 100, right? So 0 0 cancelled. So we can say that 12 1 ja 12, 12 8 ja 96, 0 0. So we can say that 10,800 is the right answer. 10,800 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Next question is on your screen. Question is saying rupees 6,000 amount to rupees 8,640 in 2 years at certain rate of compound interest. Then find the rate of interest. You have to calculate the rate of interest. So here we can say that when we have to given the principal and amount for 2 years, right? So for calculating the ratio for principal amount for single year, we just take the square root of, right? Square root of principal and amount, right? So we can say that 8640. So whatever is going to cancel, please cancel that. So we can say that this is going to be cancelled by 4. How much? So this is going to be cancelled by 6, right? Yes. So by 6 this is 100 time and by 6 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, 6 4 ja 24, right? So we can say that square root the ratio of principal and amount is 10:12, right? So what is the interest? Interest is 2. So we can say that rate percent is equal to 2 upon 10 into 100, right? So we can say that 20% is the right answer. Yes, 20% is the right answer. A part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, this question belongs to the DI section. The question is saying the following table shows the population of literate and illiterate male and female in 5 cities, right? Illiterate male and female in 5 cities. The population of literate male in city V and W. See, the population of literate male. The literate male is here, right? For V and W. For V is here and W is here, right? Is how much percent more than the total population of illiterate female in city Y and Z, right? Y and Z means this one, right? So what we are going to add up. So we can say that the total total literate male population of V and W together will be how much? We can say that 2700 plus 4500, so this is equal to 12, so 7200, right? And illiterate population of women in Y and Z together is 1800 and 3200, right? So this is equal to how much? 0, 0, right? So we can say that how much more percent, right? So we have to take the difference. So what is the difference? So the difference is 2200, right? So the question is asking 2200 is what percent of 7200 into 100, right? So 0, 0 cancel, right? So we can say that now see by 2 we can cancel it for 1100, and by 2 this is how much? We can say 36, right? So tell me what would be the answer. So after solving this probably, so we can cancel it, right? Yes. So you need to just solve this, right? So we can say that probably 44% is the right answer, right? So 44% is the right answer. See, yes. See, yes. So we can say that 44% is the right answer. So moving to next question. Question number 17. Yes, please tell me what is the answer of this question. See, if the mean and mode of a data is 25 and 28 respectively, then find the median, right? So we must know the standard formula is mode is equal to 3 median minus twice of mean, right? So we can say that the mode is equal to how much? 28 is equal to 3. Median is how much? We have to calculate the median, right? And we know that mean is how much? Mean is 25, right? So 2 into 25. So we can say that 28 plus 50 is equal to 3 median, right? So we can say that the median is equal to how much? So median is equal to 78 divided by 3, right? So we can say that 3 2 ja 6 and 3 6 ja 18. So 26 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. So moving to next question. Yes, please. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, the question is saying the ratio of perimeter of the rectangle to the circumference of the circle is 5 by 8 if the length of the rectangle 31, breadth of the rectangle is 4 meter less than the radius of the circle. Then find the area of a circle. See, we have to find the area of a circle, and area of circle is represented by the pi r square. So here we are getting pi, and the option is not having pi. It means that option must be multiple of 11. If we can answer, or we are having only one option which is multiple of 11, right? So without calculating or without wasting our time, we can answer this question, right? So just we have to check the multiple of, which option is the multiple of 11, right? Means which number is going to be divisible by 11, right? So for 11 we take the alternate digit, right? So here the sum of alternate digit 8 and here is 6, and now the difference is 2. So this is neither 0 not divisible by 11. So A is not the multiple of 11, right? So here we can say that this is 8 and 10. This is also not the multiple of, yes, 8 and 8 0. So this is the multiple of 11. This can be divided by 11, right? And this is not also. So we can say that C part is the right answer. Yes, we can say that C part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, two garden houses P and Q can fill a swimming pool together in 3 whole 1/3 hours. If house P were used alone, it would take 5 hours more than Q to fill the tank. If Q is taking, see, if Q is taking T time, right? So P is going to take how much? 5 hours more, right? Is this clear? So how long would it take for hose Q to fill the pool, right? So we can say that the LCM of this is equal to T bracket T plus 5. What would be the efficiency? So the efficiency would be T and T plus 5. So together they can complete in 2T plus 5, right? So see, so this is the total capacity divided by efficiency. So we can say that T square plus 5T divided by 2T plus 5. So this must be equal to how much? So this must be equal to 3 whole 1 upon 3. So we can say that this must be equal to 10 by 3, right? So just by solving this we can get the value of T. So this is equal to how much? So we can say that 3T square plus 15T is equal to 20T plus 50, right? So with this we can say that 3T square minus 5T minus 50 is equal to 0. See, so here we can say that we can break it as 3T square. So we have to take the value of T, right? So we, with the help of solving the quadratic equation, right? So anyhow we have to solve the quadratic equation, or we can go by option also, right? So 3T square, so we can say that 15T plus 10T, right, minus 50 is equal to 0. So taking 3T common, so we will have T minus how much? T minus 5 plus taking 10 common, so T minus 5, right? So T minus 5 common in both, how much will be left? So 3T plus 10 is equal to 0. So we can say that T must be equal to 5 and minus 10 by 3. So we cannot take the negative value. So we can say that T is equal to 5. T is equal to 5 is the right answer. Yes. So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, if the sum of two positive fractions is 356 by 429. See, this is the sum of the two positive fraction. If I say that the sum of two positive fraction, if A is the first fraction and B is the second fraction, so we can say that A plus B is equal to how much? 356 divided by 429, right? And the difference is A minus B is equal to how much? 18 divided by 429, right? So we have to calculate the smallest fraction, right? So we have to see B is the smallest fraction. So by elimination method we can calculate, right? By elimination method we can calculate just subtracting second equation from the first, right? So minus plus, this would become minus, right? So A would be cancelled. So we can say that 2B is equal to how much? Taking LCM 429 and or we can say 356 minus 18. So 356 minus 80 we will get how much? So 16 minus 8, right? So 8 and 4 minus 1. So we can say that 338. So by 2 it can be cancelled. How much time? 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 and 2 9s are, and by 13, right? So this is 13 time and this is 13 3s are 39, 13 3s are 39. So we can say that the smallest fraction is equal to 13 by 33, right? So 13 by 33 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying if the ratio of two number is 9:13 and their sum is equal to 1408, then find the greater of the two numbers. See, the two number are in the ratio 9:13. So this is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. And the sum of both numbers in unit is equal to how much? 9 plus 13. So 9 and 13 is equal to how much? So this is equal to 22, right? So we can say that 22 is equal to 1408, right? 22 is equal to 1408. Now we have to calculate the value of 13. So we can say that 1 unit is equal to 1408 divided by 22 multiplied by 13, right? So by 2 this is 11 time, right? And by 2 this is 704, right? And by 11, so this is how much time? So by 11 this is 11 6 is 66, right? So how much? 4. So 11 4 ja. So we can say that the answer is 64 into 13. So 13 4 ja 52, carry 5, and 13 6 ja 70, 78, 78 and 5. So this is equal to how much? Yes. So we can say that this is equal to 832, right? So 832, or just by seeing the unit digit approach, right? Only one option is having unit digit 2, right? So we are not going to calculate each and everything in detail, right? So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the question is saying the following pie chart show the distribution of credit card holders of a bank in 4 different cities, right? If the number of credit card holder in city C is 32,119, then the total number of card holder in all 4 cities, right? So in all 4 cities together is how much? 100%. So we can say that the city is having 29%. So we can say that 29% is how much? 32,190. So we can say that 1% is equal to 32,190 divided by 29. We have to calculate the value for 100%, right? So we just need to divide 32,190 by 29. So we will get how much? So here we will get, this is how much time? So we can say that 111,000, right? So this is the right answer. This is the right answer. Yes. So this is the right answer. So we can say that C part is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer. So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying a person covers 500 km traveling at 125 km per hour, right? And 300 km traveling at 30 km per hour. Find the total time taken to cover the total distance, right? So we have to calculate the total time. So total time is equal to how much? Distance divided by speed. So 500 divided by 125 plus 300 divided by 30, right? So we can say that by 125, this is cancelled how much time? This is 4 time, right? And this is cancelled how much time? 10 times. So this is equal to 14, right? So 14 is the right answer. 14 hours is the right answer. We can say that C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying find the value of sine 49 pi by 3, right? So we can say that, we can write it sine 49 pi by 3, right? So we can say that 16 3 is 48. So 16 pi plus pi by 3, right? So we can break it, right? So at the multiple of 180, there is no change in the sign, right? And in the first and second quadrant, right, sign is positive, right? So we can say that this is equal to sine pi by 3. Pi is equal to how much? 180. So we can say that sine 60, the value of for sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, right? So value for sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So we can say that C part is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Yes, moving to next question. Question next is on your screen. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying out of the 3 numbers, the product of the first 2 number is 629. See, the product of first 2 number. So we can say that first number is A and second number is B. So product of first 2 number is 629, right? and the product of the last two numbers. The last two number is B and C, right? So we can say that A, B, C are the three numbers, right? And the last two product is how much? 1517. So just we are dividing the first product by the second product, right? So in this, middle term is common, right? So middle term is common, right? So B part is common. So we can say that what will be the ratio of this, or we can say that both number are getting cancelled by 37, right? So here we will get 17 and here we will get 41, and both are co-prime number, right? So A is equal to this and C is equal to this. Now the question is asking the largest number and the smallest number. So probably we can say that B is equal to how much? 37. So we can say that this is the largest and this is the smallest. So the difference, required difference is equal to 41 minus 17, right? 41 minus 17, 11, 11 minus 7, so we will get 4, and 3 minus 1, so 24 is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Moving to next question. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, pipe A can fill a tank in 25 hours. Pipe A can fill a tank in 25 hours and pipe B can fill the same tank in 30 hours, right? If pipe A and pipe B together are open and after 6 hours pipe B is closed, right? After 6 hours pipe B is closed, then find the time taken by pipe A to fill the remaining tank. See, the pipe A can fill a tank in 25 hours, whereas pipe B can fill the same tank in 30 hours, right? So this is the total time. So we are going to take LCM of the total time. So what is the LCM of the total time? So we can say that the LCM of this is going to be, see, 150, right? So the LCM is 150. So we can say that capacity of the tank is 150. What is the efficiency? So we can say the efficiency is 6 and 5, right? Now the question is saying if A and B together are open and after 6 hours P is closed, right? After 6 hours P is closed, find the time taken by pipe A to fill the remaining tank, right? So in 6 hours A and B together, so A and B together can fill 11 unit, right? So A and B together in 6 hours can fill how much? 11 into 6, so they can fill 66. So what is the remaining part? So remaining part is equal to how much? 150 minus 66. So 150 minus 6, we will get how much? 10 minus 6, 4, and 14 minus 6, 84, right? So 84 is the remaining part, and this remaining part is going to be filled by A only, right? So A can fill in 1 hour 6 unit, right? So he has to fill, or it has to fill 84 units. So 84 divided by efficiency of A. So we can get it 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. So 14 hours is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes. So we can say that Chennai Express, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer. So moving to next question. Moving to next question. Yes. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See. So we must know that whenever we get such kind of figure, right? So we must know that if there is any line, or these are the parallel lines, right? And we draw this figure. So we must know that if this angle is A and this angle is B degree, so this angle is going to be A plus B degree, right? This angle is going to be A plus B degree, right? So we can say that if this angle is 20 and this is 35, so middle angle is equal to how much? 20 plus 35, right? So this is equal to how much? 55 degree, right? And we know that the complete angle, right? Complete angle at a point is 360. So M is equal to how much? 360 minus 110 plus 55, right? So we can say that M is equal to 360 minus 165, right? So 360 minus 165 10 minus 5, 5, right? So here we will get 15. 15 minus 6, how much? 9. So we can say that 195 is the right answer. 195 is the right answer. 195 degree is the right answer, right? So C part is the right answer. C part is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes. So moving to next question. Moving to next question. Question number 53. Right? Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, find the HCF of, when we have to calculate the HCF of any fraction. So we can say that for numerator we will take HCF and for denominator we will take LCM, right? So here the HCF of this is equal to, just taking HCF for this, right? And LCM of this. So we know that the HCF of the numerator value is equal to how much? 1, right? And what is the LCM? LCM of the denominator. So we can say that the LCM of the denominator is 360. So we can say that 1 over 360 is the right answer. Yes, 1 over 360 is the right answer. 1 over 360 degree is the right answer. A part is the right answer. A Aravali Hills is the right answer. Yes, A Aravali Hills is the right answer. So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. What is the answer for this question? See, the question is saying the maximum speed of a train is 60 km per hour. It takes 8 hours to cover a distance of 320 km. The ratio of its maximum speed to average speed. See, what is the maximum speed? Maximum speed is 60. And what is the average speed? Average speed is distance divided by time, right? So directly we can say that this came 40, right? So 60 is to 40. So the ratio of 60 to 40 is equal to 3 is to 2, right? So we can say that 3 is to 2 is the right answer. 3 is to 2 is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, please tell me what is the answer of this question. See, this question belongs to trigonometric session. If 8 cos x minus sec x is equal to 3 root 2 cos x, right? So we can convert sec into cosec. We know that the sec is equal to 1 upon cos. So we can say that 8 cos x minus 1 upon cos x is equal to 3 root 2 cos x, right? So taking LCM and transferring the denominator part to the right hand side, we will get 8 cos square x minus 1 is equal to how much? 3 root 2 cos square x, right? Is this clear? So taking right hand side to the left side and taking 1 to the right hand side. So we can say that 8 cos square x minus 3 root 2 cos square x is equal to 1, right? Taking cos square common, right? So cos square x common, so we will get in bracket 8 minus 3 root 2 is equal to 1, right? And transferring this portion to the right side, so we will get how much? So we can say that cos square x is equal to 1 upon 8 minus 3 root 2. Just rationalizing it, 8 plus 3 root 2 in the denominator and multiplied by 8 plus 3 root 2 in the numerator and denominator. So we will get how much? So we will get 8 plus 3 root 2 divided by how much? 8 square 64, right? 64 minus 18, right? Is this clear? Yes. So we can say that from here we get cos square x is equal to how much? So we can say that 8 plus 3 root 2, 64 minus 18, right? So here we will get 6 and 46, right? So taking 46 to, or we can say 8 plus 3 root 2 divided by 46, right? So we can say that 40 cos square x, 46 cos square x minus 8 is equal to 3 root 2, right? Yes. So taking 2 common, right? So we can say that 23 cos square x minus 4 is equal to 3 by 2 root 2, right? So we can say that 3 by 2 root 2 is the right answer. 3 by 2 root 2. 3 by 2 root 2 is the right answer, yes. So we can say that C 3 root 2 by 2, right? So just by solving we can say that 3 by root 2, right? So 3 by root 2 is the right answer. 3 by 2 root 2, or we can say 3 root 2 by 2. So D part is the right answer, yes. D daredevil is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. This is again very simple question. So in this question we have to do some calculations on it, right? So we have to solve this simple wise systematic approach step by step, right? Step by step we have to follow all these approaches, right? So moving to next question. Yes, moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question? Yes, please. What is the answer for this question? So this question belong to basics, or we can say that board mass, right? So you can view the solution for this because this is very very simple, right? Here you will get 272, right? See, if you want to do this, you can, right? See, so this is merely 62 into 7, then plus 195 divided by 13 minus 15 into 16 plus 171 into 7 divided by 19, right? So we can say that by 19 this is 9 time, and by 13 15 time, right? So just you have to do the calculation. So we can say that after solving 272 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Again very simplification question, right? So we have to use the board mass here. Board mass approach we have to use. So moving to next question. Yes, please tell me what is the answer of this question. The sum of the square root of, see, we have to calculate the sum of the square root of 196 plus root 0.16, right? So 196 is the square root of 14, right? So there are 2 digits of the point, and after the square root there will be only single digit, right? So the square root of 0.16 is equal to 0.4. So we can say that 1.8 is the right answer. 1.8 is the right answer. C part is the right answer, yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer. So moving to next question. Yes, moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question? Yes. See, the difference between selling price of a product when it is sold at 20% profit and 30% loss is 900. So we can say that the difference is equal to, so we can say that 50% is equal to 900, right? So what is the cost price? So making double order, right? So we can say that dividing by 50 and multiplied by 100. So we can say that 1800 is the right answer. A. Aravali Hills is the right answer, yes. A. Aravali Hills is the right answer. So moving to next question. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. What is the answer for this question? Yes, please. Population of a city is 15,000. Find the population of city after 2 years. It got increased by 20% each, right? It got increased by 20% each year. So we can say that if the population of city, so directly we can say that is, see, it is increased by 20% each year. It is becoming 120% of the previous year, right? So just simply by chain rule we can do this, right? So 0 0 cancelled, 0 0 cancelled, right? So we can say that 15 into how much, right? So we can say that 0, 15 for the 66, right? And so we can say that 21600, right? So 21600, C part is the right answer. Yes, 21600, C part is the right answer. Yes. Moving to next question. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. If the area of a rectangle is 448 centimeter square and the ratio of its length and breadth is 7:4, find the length of its diagonal. See, what is the area? Area of this 2 into L plus V. So we can say that 7x plus 4x, right? So this is 7x and this is 4x. So this must be equal to how much? 448. So we can say that 11x is equal to 224, right? So x is equal to how much? 224 by 11, right? So we have to find the length of its diagonal, right? We have to find the length of its diagonal. Yes. See, this is the area, not the perimeter. Sorry. This is the area, not the perimeter. So we can say that the area is equal to length into breadth, right? So length will to breadth 7x into 4x is equal to how much? 448, right? So we can say that x square is equal to how much? X square is equal to how much? By 4 this is equal to 112 time, and by 7 this is 7 1 just 7, right? And 7 6 42. So we can say that x is equal to 4, right? So the length of the diagonal. So the length of the diagonal, what is the length of the rectangle? Length is equal to 7 into 4, right? What is the breadth? 4 into 4. Or we know that the diagonal, right? So we can apply the Pythagoras, right? We can apply the Pythagoras. So we can say that this is equal to square root of 28 square plus 16 square, right? 28 square plus 16 square, right? So after solving this, we will get how much? 4 root 65, right? So 4 root 65 is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. So moving to next question. Moving to next question. Moving to next question. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. What is the answer for this question? See, in the given figure, AD is the diameter. See, AD is the diameter. So we can say that this is 90 degree. The angle made the diameter in the either segment is always equal to 90 degree. And we know that the sum of the opposite angles, opposite vertex angle of a cyclical quadrant is equal to 180 degree, right? We know that the sum of the opposite angles of the opposite vertex angles of a cyclical quadrilateral is equal to 180 degree. So we can say that this is how much? 80 degree. So we have to calculate the value for x. What is the value for x? 180 minus 90 plus 80, right? So we can say that 180 minus 170, right? So 10 degree is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Moving to next question. Yes. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying if A sells an article to B at a profit of 20% and B sells the article back to A at a loss of 10%. It means A is selling an article, right? Suppose the cost price of article is 100. So A is selling an article for 120 rupees. It means he is getting 120 and B is purchasing it at 120. So this is the cost price, right? And then find the profit percentage of A. Profit percent made by A in this transaction. See, and B sell the article at a loss of 10%. Now B is selling at what rupees? B is selling it at rupees how much? So B is selling at 10% less, minus 10%. So minus 10%, it means 90%. So we can say that 108. Now A is purchasing for rupees 108, right? So he spent 108 and he received how much? 120. So we can say that overall he is getting 12 rupees, right? So we can say that he is getting 12 rupees. So 12 rupees at how much? 12 rupees at 100. So what is the percentage profit? So we can say that 12 unit profit over 100, right? Because profit and loss is always measured at the cost price, right? So we can say that 12% is the right answer. Are you getting my point? Yes. So we can say that A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. A, Aravali Hills is the right answer. So moving to the next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. If a 9-digit number is divisible by 11, then find the value of A. See, we know the divisibility rule of 11. The sum of alternate place digit and then take the difference of both must be either 0 or divisible of 11. Or we can say that the sum of 9, 6, 2, A and 4, right? 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus A plus 4, right? And the sum of 5, 5, 6, 2. 5, 5, 6, 2. So this is equal to how much? So this is equal to 18, right? And this is equal to how much? So we can say that this is equal to 21, right? 21 plus A. So we can say that the difference must be 0, right? So can we make it 0 or 11, right? So here the difference is how much? 3 plus A. So we can make it 11, right? So we can take the value for A to make it 11. So we can take 8, right? Yes, 8 plus 3 would be 11. So we can say that. So the value for A, we will take 8, right? So B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. Yes. So these are the questions asked in your RRB NTPC All India mock test, right? So all questions are probably very easy questions, or we can say some questions are moderate, but we didn't find any question tough. So such type of questions are frequently asked in your exam, right? So we have taken as a base of the previous year questions. So everything is very, very easy. If you want to prepare yourself in a systematic manner, right? So you can also check out our website, right? So you can also check out, see, just go to our website, Oliveboard website. So you will get the interface like this, right? So just click on the course section. In the course section, you will get this kind of interface, right? So just scroll down, then you will get English medium courses, SSC plus railway. If you are preparing for the railway, so there is a RRB NTPC 2024 targeting CVT1, CVT2 both. This is the English medium batch and delivery also in English medium. We start from basic, right, and take you to the top level. So, and if you are targeting tier 2 exam, so there is a crash course, and that crash course is going to be start from the 4th November onward, right? So you can check it out, this batch, for the quick revision of your thorough syllabus, right? So this is 40 days MCQs course, SSC CGL tier 2. right? So this is all for today. So thank you guys, thank you very much. Jai Hind. Again wish you very very happy and great Diwali to you. Have have enjoy and do whatever you want to do. Please focus on your goal also, right? So again very very happy and endless and with endless joy and prosperity to you. Happy Diwali.